little Miss Luna out of the bathroom. Okay, here we go. Alright. Oh, stay. Good girl. Good girl, Luna. Underkeeper. Looking for your mommy? Huh? Looking for your mommy, ain't you? No. Puppy power. Say earlier we knocked this thing down. Well, no, if we all jump up here at the same time, it will go down. We have figured that one out. Molly, you ready to get attacked, honey? You're hungry. Come on, Molly. Come on, Molly. Come on. Molly, get in there. Molly, this way. Come on. Okay, nice. There they go. That's funny. Emmy wants to hang out with her papa. Oh, how funny is that? Emmy wants to hang with her papa. Yes, she does. They're funny. Come on, Nutty. Welcome. Yeah, I know, because you're still feeding those little ones, aren't you, girl? Molly, when you're done, come on this way. Molly, you done? Come on, Molly. Come on, Molly. Anytime. Come on. Okay, not you. You just have to show off you know how to open doors, don't you? Silly boy you. Silly boy you. Let him play for a little while, okay, guys? Let's play for a little while. Yep. Now, okay, alright. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Here for a minute, okay, guys? Come here for a minute. Come on. You're following Mama. Okay, Mama, Papa, y'all ready? We'll do a mad chase. Ready? Gotta go fast. Ready? Gotta go fast, girl. Gotta go fast. Ready? And go. Okay, closing the door now. Yeah, y'all get to play for a little while, okay? Okay? Alright, get to play for a little while. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Ready to play for a little while? Hmm? Yeah? Yeah? Still recording? Yeah, it is. Come on. Oh. And we just like the loving. We just love the loving. Yes, we do. And we love to play. And we love to play. Yes, we do. Look what I found. Look what I found. Oh, Mr. Elephant. Mr. Elephant. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Emmy's got to try and figure that camera out. Right, Emmy? Oh, fun. There you go. Get him. Get him, Luna. Get him, Luna. I know, right? Oh, so cute. Too cute. You're going to eat my socks and my pants up, huh? You didn't leave it up here. Hi, Margie. My jammies. Good Jim boy. You're the last one that's left. Yes, you are. Could eat you up, you know that? I could eat you up. Could eat you up. You're so good. Silly babies. You're so silly. Silly, silly, silly. Silly, silly. Your daddy's favorite toy. One of you pulled it by the rope earlier today. Remember? Who was it? Who pulled it by the rope? They almost look like cats when they play. Miniature schnauzers do. It's funny watching them. They almost play like cats. It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, we're going to leave them alone to play for a little while and get some energy out, and then they're going to go night-night in the kennel, all together in their kennel. They need to get that energy out. Miniature schnauzers, they are. Funny, cute. Cute, so cute. Funny.